Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020, and I do have a couple of announcers, and their names are Caitlin, Damien, and Jimena are our pledgers from Ms. Reyes' fourth grade classroom. And if you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and we'll go ahead and we'll start our pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all. And now for our Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be this at home, on the bus, or during your school day. So if there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please tell trusted adults in your life how you feel. We do have a couple of announcements today. We have a couple of really great things happening. Right now, what we're going to do is we are going to announce from Ms. Souquette. We're going to go ahead and announce those students. Congratulations to the following students. They are our school spelling bee participants. So these are the students that were chosen to go ahead and try out for spelling bee. So I have a couple of names. If you hear your name, please make sure that you go to the library at 2 p.m. today. Again, if you hear your name at 2 o'clock this afternoon, you're going to go to the library with Ms. Souquette. So the names are Cecilia Ramirez, Emma Jane Acevedo, Isaías Navarrete, Sarai Hurtado, Eduardo García, Julissa Salazar, Aileen Soto, Jose Esparza, Zane Andrade, Xavier Gutierrez, Esteban Salgado, Ari Durden, Allison Garcia, Josiah Zavala, Derek Portado, Damien Gonzalez, Andres Miranda, Jimena Velez, Abigail Martinez, Angel Soto, Isaiah Fernandez, Natalie White, and Maria Garudi. If you heard her name, please make sure that at 2 o'clock today, you report to Ms. Souquette in the library. Not right now, at 2 o'clock. And then we have a very, very happy birthday in the house. Happy birthday to Miss Donna Alvarado in 5th grade. And students, big drum roll. 4th grade, not only is it her birthday, she is also the winner of the 2020 Galena Park ISD Christmas card contest. She and our art teacher, Mrs. Lloyd, will have their picture taken tomorrow. So big congratulations. It's not only her birthday, but her art was chosen for the annual Christmas card. All right, as I continue to tell you that we are still in the month of November. So yesterday was our district college fair. Hopefully you got a chance to visit that. It was virtual, but if not, Mrs. Marsh will send a link for another virtual one that you can do. All right. Fairness is the character education theme for the month. Like stones rolling down hills, fair ideas reach their objectives despite all obstacles. Fairness is something that everyone should want. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. And I hope today you have a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.